We're here at 2nd Street. This is a loft-like apartment. Very long apartment. Extends about 740 square feet with a view of the landmark across the street. Very bright in the front room here, which extends about 13 by 10 with a closet in the first room here. This room could be used as a office, living room, or a bedroom. As you proceed through, we have a second area here which extends about 9 by 9, and a third area extends about 9 by 9, and we come to a dining area and kitchen. High ceiling in the apartment. The kitchen in the rear has a window towards the courtyard. Full bathroom in the unit with tub. Call rate to see this unit at 212-602-1137.